There we are guys, Diane sauce made, a creamy Diane sauce, very easy, very simple. Serve it over a chicken breast or pork chop or anything that you want. Absolutely fantastic. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. Today, creamy Diane sauce. Now this is a simple recipe to make. I mean really easy actually. You can make this up, serve it with a chicken breast or pork chop or a steak or anything like that. Let's show you how to do it, come on. This starts with a chunk of butter. And we're going in there with about equal amounts of olive oil. So there's about 2 tablespoons, something like that. Now not too high. Ooh-wee. A bit warm in the middle there, look. And what we're going to do, we're going to go in with our diced onion and our garlic. So get that in there. Give it a little whiz round. Right guys, all we're doing is cooking out the rawness of the onion and the garlic as per usual. Now we're not going to go in with any salt because I'm using the beef stock powder and that carries a little bit of salt, and we got a bit of salt in our cream soup powder. I'm going to go in with a little bit of pepper, a little bit of black pepper in there. Give that a little whiz round. Now don't try and burn your garlic or onions, just try and cook it translucent. And then we're going to go in with a heaped tablespoon of tomato paste, tomato puree. So get that in there. Give it a little whizzing up. So all we're doing at the moment guys is just cooking off that tomato paste, you know, getting rid of that sourness in there with our onions and garlic. So that's nice and steady. We don't have to cook it on a high flame or anything. We want to be going in with about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Give that a little stir in. And then we want to be going in with our beef stock guys. So get our beef stock in there. Give that a bit of a whiz up. Just let it cook for a minute or two, just bring all those flavours together. And then what we're going to do guys, we're going to go in there with our soup powder mix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those in there, let's stir it in. Then all we want guys is just a little bit of butter to finish. Stir that in there, and that is a fantastic creamy Diane sauce made. There we are guys, made. All we need to do now is give this a taste test. Oh, come on. That is a really good Diane sauce. I'm just going to add a little bit more pepper for my taste. Just give that a little mix in, and that is perfect. There we are, guys. Diane sauce made, a creamy Diane sauce. Very easy, very simple. Serve it over a chicken breast or pork chop or anything that you want. Absolutely fantastic. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, and we'll catch you in the next video.